Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow design step by step. Start by gathering marshmallows, skewers, food coloring, small bowls, and a clean workspace. I will walk you through shaping, coloring, and assembling designs using easy techniques anyone can follow. We will cover tips for consistent sizes, quick drying, and simple decorations that look impressive. Follow along at your own pace and pause when you need to practice each step. Begin shaping by deciding the base form you want, like a flower or swirl, and secure a marshmallow on a skewer. Use gentle pressure and steady hands to pinch, twist, or flatten without tearing. For layered designs, attach pieces by slightly warming contact points or using edible glue from powdered sugar and water. Practice consistent pressure to keep shapes uniform, and remember small imperfections often add charming character to homemade designs. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more crafty tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty that keeps your feet smiling during long crafting sessions. I toss mine on when I'm molding and coloring marshmallows to stay cozy and focused. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Coloring adds personality, so start with diluted food gel or liquid dye in small bowls and test on spare marshmallows. Apply thin layers with a fine brush or toothpick for details and blend softly for gradient effects. Let each layer dry briefly before adding more decoration to prevent colors from running. Small accents like edible glitter or tiny sugar pearls make designs pop, and simple repetition creates a polished, cohesive look for your finished marshmallow pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.